In this video, we're going to learn to import historical crypto market data into Airtable. The first thing you need to do is to set up your market history table and create a date field. Then select the first date that you want to import data for, and in the next record, select the day after that. Then highlight both records and use the box in the bottom right to drag it down, and Airtable will auto-populate subsequent days in all the records. If you want a way to make this dynamic rather than a hard-coded range of dates, have a look in the video description, and there's a way to do this with Airtable automations. Once you've done that, add the free data fetcher app from the Airtable app marketplace. And once you've added the app to your base, you'll need to sign up for a free data fetcher account, or sign into your existing account if you've signed up in the past. Then click on Create Your First Request. Yeah, that was slow, man. That was fucking slow. In this video, we're going to learn to import historical crypto market data into Airtable. The first thing you need to do is to set up your market history table and create a date field in that. Then select the first date you want to pull in prices for, and select the day after that. Then highlight both of these and drag from the bottom right, and Airtable will auto-populate the subsequent days in each record. If you want to make this dynamic rather than a hard-coded date range, you can use an Airtable automation. I'll add a link to that in the video description. Then go to the Airtable app marketplace and add the data fetcher app. And once you've added it to your base, you'll need to sign up for a free data fetcher account or sign into your existing account. Then click on Create Your First Request, and for application, select CoinGecko. And this is a free service that provides crypto market data. For the endpoint, select Get Historical Data at a given date for a coin. Change the name of the request to Fetch Market Data, and click Save and Continue in the bottom right. Then for the coin, select the cryptocurrency that you want to use. You can also search for one if you can't see it here. So I'm going to use Bitcoin. Then for the date, we want to use the date field in our table. So click on the add icon on the right hand side, and for field, select date. Then click on confirm. Make sure the output table is set to market history, and click save and run in the bottom right, and continue. Then we're going to see a preview of all the fields that come back from CoinGecko. So click Filter All to remove all of them, and then search for USD. And here we can see the fields that correspond to the market data expressed in US dollars. So I'm going to add back the price, and I'm going to change that name to price and change the currency, change the field type to currency. Then I'm going to change the market cap to currency as well. And finally, I'm going to select this field and change it to volume and keep it as a number, because it's not a price, it's the amount of cryptocurrency in circulation. So once you're happy with that, click save and run, and Data Fetcher will create the missing fields in our table and then run the request for every record, and look up the historical market data for each date and populate those new fields with the market data. So we can see how the price is changing as the date changes. So back in Data Fetcher, I'm going to set this up to run automatically. So click Close, upgrade to a paid Data Fetcher account, and click Schedule this request. And you can set the schedule you want this to run on. Click Save, and Data Fetcher will automatically pull in that historical data on the schedule that you've set up.